so it started up now. You're just doing spindle control for the first 8.
Right. You can get pretty close to it. It's not going to shoot scratch or anything like that.
Okay, so it is spinning now. See a red glow there. It's a lot quieter than I thought it was.
Let's get a lot louder.
Okay, let's take a look at your screen here. You can see the. Now he's up there. So you're going to try to do the tool temperature. It's currently about 2. It's ramping up a little bit, 230 or 270.
Yeah, so these are pretty weak gains. I'm just redoing this weld and running it for a bit longer to see if it'll actually get to the steady state or not. Just because it was one of the only ones that didn't, so, or it's the set point rather.
Okay, great.